We visited the famous French restaurant Le Relais de l'Entrecôte, this time in Dubai. You start with their signature walnut and mustard salad, followed by steak and fries. Although it was good, the meat had thinner cuts and didn't match Paris quality. And just when you think you're done, they bring you a second serving of steak and fries, and that iconic sauce was delicious. Relais Vacherin was the star, just like Paris. We'd definitely come back for that alone. Service was great too.